Alrighty, what's going on, appreneurs? Christopher Wilson here, commenting on another video, and this is from Tyler. Great video. Keep up the good content. Alrighty, thank you, Tyler. And I'm going to reply to your comment, but actually I did click reply. Now you may have commented on my other channel, and it showed up on bestproductreviews.com, but it didn't show up on my Atlanta App Mogul channel, which is this one right here.
How to create apps that make you money every single day.
Excuse me. But you commented on the
training,
making your screenshots.
This is the next video.
But I don't see your comment right here. But yeah, I appreciate your comment.
And
I appreciate your comment about the screenshots. And this probably be a perfect opportunity to show some other screenshot makers that I use that I haven't showed anyone yet. But, you know, I'm going to go ahead and show you a few of these. And I have them all in one folder, actually. And the folder is, let's see where the folder is. Yeah, screenshots makers. Okay, so I think I got 7 of those loaded up, along with icon makers. Where are my icon makers at? Don't see them. And I had to get in and you know, kind of clean up these folders because I do have a lot of them. Yeah, here's one, Launchpad. Okay, you can get started and you can make your icons look like this, which most apps now, you know, they kind of look like this. You know, if you go to the App Store, you've probably seen it before, but they look like something like this. You know, you add your text. I don't know what that is. Okay, yeah, but you can try a demo and so forth. You can go around and tinker with this if you want. It kind of looks like this. You know, and if you notice, you know, and it does add flair to your apps. It really does. Okay, so you can tick around with that. That's AppLaunchpad.com if you can look up here. Okay, App Institute. I guess with this you just choose a platform, upload your screenshot, and it's going to make let's see what they look like. Okay, if they'll show us, and I guess they won't. Yeah, something like this. Okay, and these are good also. So if you go to the Google Play Store, you know, you can you'll probably see a lot of apps like this. Choose your ride, set your location request, Snapchat or whatever. Snap. Tell people, you know, you can put your text up here, but your app, your screenshots look like this. All you do is just import your images into this platform and then you add some text there. Okay, so that's how that one works. Here's another one. Okay, it's called appscreenshot.me. Okay, you can go ahead and check that one out. Okay, and here, like I said, I'm not going to go through this right now. But yeah, you can customize this in different ways and so on. It's not that hard. I've used this one before, DaVinci, basically because it's free. Well, at least when I used it, it was free. Now I think you have to pay for it, but something like that. Okay, where you can make your customized screenshots, which is a big thing now. You know, customize your screenshots. Me, I'm old school. You know, I just use the screenshots from my phone. But some of you all, you like you would like to use those. You can do that. Now, they do kind of like that. That's different. But here's another one. It's pickapp.net. Okay. And like I said, I didn't do anything special with these. Guess what I did? I just Googled, teach you all to be resourceful again, app screenshot maker. Okay? That's all I did. And you're going to come up with, different app screens. Look at that. And see, you can see these are purple, so I already searched these already. Right? Okay? Look at that. I searched these already. So, app screenshot template. Okay, something like that. You can put app icon maker, right? So, I'm just showing you all how to be resourceful. This is what I do. Okay? App icon makers. Okay? Go ahead and Google that and get you some app icons. Okay? So, just by being resourceful. Be resourceful. You know. Like I said, we're in this game. We're in this game to win. Okay. So just don't go by. Now I do give you. Now if you're on my list, of course you got my free icon maker and my image resizer. If you're on my list, okay, which is free. So with that image resizer, you pretty much it resizes all of your apps. So you can upload them to different app stores and different platforms and so forth. And plus you got the icon maker. You can customize your icons. Okay? All right. So with that one, that's another one. Here's another one. MediaLoop.com. Look up here. Go to that one. Okay? And customize your screenshots. Okay? All right, and this one, I love this one because this is absolutely free. You just drop your image in there. I would show you, but it's pretty self-explanatory actually. But just drop your screenshot in there, and you can edit the text, and you're good to go. Okay, so that was the comment on the video. Where's the video? Yeah, great video. Keep it up. Good comment. And thank you, Tyler, for that one. And I'll see you all in the next video. Please go ahead and hit that thumbs up right now because I know this was good content. And I'll see you in the next video.